Hey, what's going on, everybody? For First We Feast, I'm Sean Evans, coming at you from an all-black box with 10 bottles in front of me. And you know what that means? It is time to reveal the Season 8 hot sauce lineup. Now, I know what's on your mind. I know what you're thinking. Is it hotter? Is it hotter? Is it hotter? And the answer is yes. In every single slot on the board, we've either kept the Scovilles constant or we've cranked it up a notch, and I'll be damned if the guest list isn't just as fiery. Season 8 marks the return of some of our favorite producers and a bunch of oddball ingredients in the front half, and a Reaper-loaded back 9 that is more challenging than anything we've done in seasons 1 through 7. But enough chit-chat, let's talk sauce, and to kick things off, we have the classic. The classic is back in the leadoff spot, welcoming guests to the table with a warm embrace of chili de arbol peppers, tickling the tongue, saying whispers, "Welcome to the wings of death. We've been expecting you." If you haven't picked up a bottle yet, Heatness.com, you know the drill. And moving on to number 2, we say sayonara to Humble House Guajillo and konnichiwa to Angry Goat Pepper Company's Hippy Dippy Green. Yes, the label looks like it was drawn by an art school dropout loaded up on CBD and Ben & Jerry's, but this sauce is layered and complex. A kiss of kiwi to balance out the jalapenos and serranos, a splash of lime to brighten fire-roasted tomatillos, and then a blend of avocado and olive oil to coat a wing like you wouldn't believe. Don't judge a book by its cover, says the bald man with a chicken wing talk show, and now we're on to the tray spot. At number 3, we head to Denver for a devilish little elixir by the name of Patio's Potion. This one's also got some unexpected flavors like grapefruit and sunflower seeds, things that'll get our guest taste buds saying, "Well, isn't that interesting?" before getting pile drived later down the line. Moving on, it's a familiar face batting cleanup, Long Island's own High River Sauces. OG fans will remember the Rogue sauce that we had way back in season 2, and now we clear out a space on the lineup for Chiba Gold. It's their newest offering, blending Scotch bonnet and Fatale peppers with peaches, lemon, and a touch of mustard for some island vibes, and then at the 5th spot, entering its 3rd season, our very own Los Calientes. Call me biased, but I defy anyone to find a better hot sauce for reminiscing about old Instagram photos that you wish you never posted. It's also a delicious accompaniment to other activities, like throwing on your nicest pair of board shorts and eating a sandwich on the beach. And speaking of hanging 10 Spice Lords, the Adobo Loco out of Hawaii is back with Kohole Kid. Apparently Kolohe means naughty or mischievous in Hawaii, and I have a sneaking suspicion the ghost chilies in this super tasty vinegar-based sauce are going to be a problem for some of our guests. When it comes to a wing sauce that's hot enough that it'll blow away noobs but satisfy vets, doesn't get much better than this one right here. And moving on, 'tis the season for return hot sauce makers here on Hot Ones. Welcome back to the table, Torchbearer, with this 116,000 Scoville beast they call the Garlic Reaper. Yes, we are going full-on Carolina Reaper, just 7 sauces into this year's lineup. The first ingredient in the Garlic Reaper? Reaper. The second ingredient? Garlic. That is all you need to know. And I will say this, best pizza sauce ever. Season 8, sauce number 8, and this was the easiest choice of all. Da Bomb retains its position, the longest running hot sauce in Hot Ones history, humbling celebs from Season 2, Episode 1 with Currency, all the way through our Season 7 finale with Weird Al Yankovic. And I cannot tell you how often guests sit down in the seat, point right at that bottle and go, "I've heard about this one." That type of intimidation requires a resume, and it would be foolish for us to wipe away the legacy of Da Bomb just yet. It stays. It lives. And speaking of fear, the maniacs over at Hellfire are back on their bullshit with another skeleton Grim Reaper sauce that is simply called Fear This. The sauce clocks in at 679,000 Scoville and has a 60% pepper mash made up of Smokin' Ed Curry's Carolina Reaper. So just to recap, that's Reapers at number 7, Da Bomb at number 8, more Reapers at number 9, and then to close things out, the last Abra Dux remains the king of the mountain. You don't have to if you don't want to, unless you're me, then I guess you have to. Alright, there you have it. It's our Season 8 Carolina Reaper loaded lineup, and here's a fun fact. Chris and Noah, they pick out the lineup, and then I don't go at it until it's game time. So I will be taking on the Season 8 Hot Ones Gauntlet for the very first time in next week's premiere. That's right, Hot Ones returns January 24th with our first celebrity guinea pig, Gordon Ramsay. You know the drill, Heatness.com, Heatness.com to get your sauces so you can play right along at home. Thank you so much, Spice Lords, for rocking with us through Season 1, Season 2, Season 3, Season 4, Season 5, Season 6, Season 7, and into Season 8. Here's a clip to hold you over till next week. Roll it!
Shit. That's not normal.
No.
In fact, this fucking program's not normal.
No.
Have you ever killed anybody?
We haven't heard from Coolio in a long time.
Fucking hell. Seriously.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Sean Evans checking in with a quick hot sauce update. If you'd like to try the classic, Los Calientes, or the Last Dab Redux, Heatness.com. Heatness.com has you covered. If hot sauce isn't your thing, maybe check out a t-shirt or a hoodie over at shop.complex.com. And if none of that interests you, I have been really getting into matcha lately. Matcha lattes, matcha smoothies, matcha pudding. I don't know how I went 32 years on this planet without discovering matcha, but now I have, and it has been a complete game changer. We don't sell any matcha products whatsoever, but I'm just saying you should try it out.